welcome to my channel. My name is Robin and this is my closet. I am filming outdoors today, which I just love to do. I'm in the eastern part of Washington up in the mountains, so it's really nice and peaceful, except there's flies, bees, and wasps. So if I start doing, kind of like this, it's because I'm under attack. So forgive me in advance. Today I have a Stitchfix box. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos. And if you're returning or just subscribed, thank you so much. I so appreciate it. Oh, and I just got out of the shower not that long ago, and I didn't feel like drying my hair because out here it just does whatever it wants to do anyway. So I'm asking you to forgive me for a lot today. So Stitchfix is a monthly subscription box. Most of you probably already know. Is it $20 a month styling fee? But you can get it whenever you want. I get it as soon as I turn a box back. They were sending me another one. I am on the $49 pass, so you pay a one-time $49 and then you don't have to pay that styling fee anymore, and the $49 did get credited towards my purchase. I will also be leaving a link below, so if you want to try this out, you can get a free box, no styling fee, and a $25 credit. So you win, and I think I get a credit as well. So it's just kind of a win-win. So enough with the yapping. I just posted a box, I don't know, a few weeks ago, and I had Kat as my stylist, and she just knocked it out of the park. I had to stop because she was sending me so many 5 for 5s. And then last time I got a new stylist. I don't remember what her name was, but she obviously doesn't get me yet. I worked with Kat for a while, so she knew everything. So I don't know who my stylist is today. The first thing I see are a pair of shoes, and then there's also my bundle. And then there's the postage paid. This goes through UPS, so there is no shipping, and I love no shipping. And then there's the stylist card, and of course the nasty gram with how much everything costs. If you keep everything, you get a 25% off. And just to let a lot of you YouTubers know, because I watch so many Stitch Fix, if you find a 5 for 5 but there's just one piece you really don't like, they do have some boards on Facebook that you can join, and you can sell your pieces off there as well. So if you want more information on that, my email is in here somewhere. Just send me an email and I'll show you how to do that. So should we do the shoes first? Let's do the shoes first. You just gotta love these bags. They're so handy for about anything. And they are, blown away. They're a pair of sandals. They are so cute. The only thing I don't like is trying to bend over to do these straps, but I do like these. And these are they're in Cognac, 7.5, and they're Steve Madden Dina leather sandal. So I do like them. It kind of feels vinyl-y, but I do like them. So those are the shoes, and let's get into the bundle. I hope you guys are having a great start to your week. And anytime you guys want to come and visit me out here in the woods, excuse me, besides the bees and wasps and all that, We do have deer that walk through here, so occasionally I'll look out the window and I'll see a deer out in my backyard. So you're all invited up here. Okay. The first thing is by Market and Spruce. It's a size large, and it's a black. Don't know if you're getting glare. It's kind of has a pattern to it. I like the front. The only thing I don't like is the back. It seems like it would be clingy, but I do like the front, the pattern, and the V-neck on there. So, of course, I'll try it on. This next thing looks fun. It's by Skies Are Blue in a size large. Seder contrast trim knit top. Look at how cute that is. See, these are the kind of tops I like because they have a little bit of sleeve and it's got that little pop of color. And it can go with shorts, it can go with jeans, it can go with anything. So liking that. The next thing is by Verge, Jory Split Neck, Off-White Large. Oh, how cute is this? It looks like it could be bra friendly, but look at the back. You see the back? So this is really very nice, and it's got greens in it and turquoise, so a totally fun top. And the next looks like a pair of pants, and they are green. They're Market and Spruce, and Tory Capri Skinny Pant in a size 8. Not so sure if I can wear these anymore. The problem is when you go and switch like your territories, like we came from Arizona to here, all we have done is eat. We go to barbecues, we go into town, all we do is eat. So I have put on the weight I lost for my son's wedding, so I'm gonna have to start over. But these are so cute, and it looks like they're 3/4 length with the cuff. So I'm really liking this fix. Let me see who my stylist is. I did ask to see if I can get Kat back, so hopefully, let's see what the notes said. No, I got Ashley, but she did apologize. Hi Robin, I'm sorry the last fix wasn't a hit. I appreciate your honest feedback and the opportunity to turn things around. Your previous stylist Kat is on a well-deserved break this week, so I'll be filling in for her today. Not to worry, I've taken a deep dive into your fix history. So that's really nice, and it's Ashley. So I am gonna go try these on and I'll be right back. Okay, sorry about that. So this is what the top looks. It's a little tight in here and it's a little tight in the back end. They're really cute. I love how they fit and the crop. So I don't know if I want to get them and try and lose another 10 pounds because they have really cute pockets, or if I want to size up. And I'm also wearing the Steve Madden shoes, and they're feeling a little snug. I don't know if you can see them. They're super cute with this outfit, but I don't know if my feet just get bigger in the summer, but I like the pants and I like the style of the shoes. Maybe just not these shoes are right for me. So I'll be right back with the next couple pieces. Okay, I am back with the next piece, and let's see, this must be the Skies Are Blue Seder Contrast Trim Knit Top in white. Let me see. I'm so confused. It is, oh, this is the Versi Jory split neck top in off-white, and it's $48. It's super cute. I mean, the colors are great. It's got the split neck. It's a real easy throw on top, but it's the back. It's got that cute little split back. You can see it. So let me know what you think of this. These types of tops, though, when it gets hot, they get super, super clingy. But I feel this kind of top I can wear with almost anything. Shorts or jeans. So let me know what you think, and I'll be right back with the last top. Okay, I am back with the last piece. This was one of my favorite pieces. This is the Skies Are Blue Seder Contrast Trim Knit Top in white. And it's $44. It's really cute. It's got the cute little thing. It fits nice. I hand wash most of my tops because I don't want the shrinkage here or in here. But this is a really comfortable summer top. So I will be right back with the recap. Okay, I am back with the recap. What'd you think of that fix? I think she really did a great job. So Ashley, kudos to you. If I bought everything in this fix, it's $273 for the total fix. If I bought everything and got the 25% discount, that takes $68.25 off, and it would be $204.75, which is not bad for like a complete outfit plus 2 shirts. But unfortunately, things just don't work out for me. Definitely gonna have to start to watch the weight. So I am between exchanging those pants. I really like those green pants, and they were 58, or no, they were 64, and just maybe sizing up in them. I know they'll probably stretch, but I don't want to take the chance. And I liked the contrast top, and that was $44. So I'm not sure. I will keep you posted what I keep and what I don't keep. But in case you didn't know, I am doing a giveaway. I'm actually doing a couple giveaways. As long as you watch this whole video and leave a comment or a couple cactuses, you'll be entered. And one of my giveaway prizes is a $25 gift certificate for Stitchfix. So just think, if you use my fix, you get 25, then if you win, so that's 50. But you don't even have to use the fix just to win the $25. I just love the styling service so much, and I thought, I know a lot of you use Stitch Fix, so $25, $25. I will leave the link below that takes you to the rules for that giveaway video as well. So as always, thank you guys so much, and have an awesome day. Okay, I am back with the recap. What'd you think of that fix? I think she really did a great job. So Ashley, kudos to you. If I bought everything in this fix, it's $273 for the total fix. If I bought everything and got the 25% discount, that takes $68.25 off, and it would be $204.75, which is not bad for like a complete outfit plus 2 shirts. But unfortunately, things just don't work out for me. Definitely gonna have to start to watch the weight. So I am between exchanging those pants. I really like those green pants, and they were 58, or no, they were 64, and just maybe sizing up in them. I know they'll probably stretch, but I don't want to take the chance. And I liked the contrast top, and that was 44. So I'm not sure. I will keep you posted what I keep and what I don't keep. But in case you didn't know, I am doing a giveaway. I'm actually doing a couple giveaways. As long as you watch this whole video and leave a comment or a couple cactuses, you'll be entered. And one of my giveaway prizes is a $25 gift certificate for Stitchfix. So just think, if you use my fix, you get 25, then if you win, so that's 50. But you don't even have to use the fix just to win the $25. I just love the styling service so much, and I thought, I know a lot of you use Stitch Fix, so $25, $25. I will leave the link below that takes you to the rules for that giveaway video as well. So, as always, thank you guys so much, and have an awesome day.